Hi, my name is Pete Benner, and I'm here to show you how to use the LunaGuard Nighttime Dental Protector, the most innovative nighttime dental protector available. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and water. Step 2. Heat enough water to submerge the dental guard to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Hot, but not boiling or scalding water, on the stovetop or in a microwave oven. Immerse the dental guard until the material turns clear. Once it turns clear, it is soft and pliable and ready for fitting. Lift the guard with a fork. Step 3. Hold the material as shown. Do not let it fold onto itself. Step 4. With the aid of a mirror, position the material so the solid area in the middle of the guard, the area without the holes, is against the chewing surface of your upper teeth. Make sure enough of the material is on the outward facing side of the teeth. The material should extend to, but not past, the gum line once fitted. Then bite down gently and press your tongue against the material to hold it in place. Step 5. Gently mold the dental guard against the outside surface of your teeth with your fingertips toward the gum line, while securing the back of it with your tongue. Step 6. Close your lips over the dental guard and very gently create suction to ensure a snug fit. Then, wait 5 minutes for the material to fully harden before removing the dental guard. Step 7. To remove the dental guard, grasp the top front edge with fingertips of both hands and pull down gently to release. If you are not satisfied with the initial fitting, simply slip the bite guard back into the hot water and repeat the fitting process. After your first use, if you feel your LunaGuard is too tight, it can be loosened slightly by resubmerging it in 160 degree water for no longer than 2 to 3 seconds and repeating step 6.